hold and a nice elbow drop.
Looks like they're running out of the arena.
Where those two are going, I'm pretty sure the match is not back there, but
Looks like we still got some good action going on in the ring.
oh yes.
Looks like I'm gonna have to do some work on these boys, man. I tell you.
Oh, yeah, you need to train yours a little bit better. And it's Brian going up top on the ladder right now. And I don't know what that was supposed to be.
Here comes again.
Oh, they're on the side of the ring. Oh, and pounds his face on the fence. What is Little J doing?
A nice STO. And the disrespect. You know he learned that from too.
The Reaper with a nice elbow drop from the top of the ladder. And a tag in to Little J. Well, it looks like the Executor is just letting his partner Brian get mercifully beaten.
And the J bottom. Wow.
Ooh, and it was stopped at a 1 count. Nice drop kick from Little J. Brian and the Executor are both on the ground right now.
Looks like he's going for a figure 4.
Oh no.
Never mind. Oh my God. He's tapping, he's tapping, he's
And the
tapping.
winners.
The team of the Reaper and Little J, my boys, I tell you.
The winners are the NLW Tag Team. The match is over, but they're continuing to beat them. What is this, Tattoo Kid? What are you doing?
You want me? Huh?
Oh
You want me?
no. Oh, Tattoo Kid. Oh, what are you doing?
You guys want me? Huh? You want you?
Oh my God, don't do it. Oh! Darn it, that knee, I know that has to be hurting the Executor right now. Where's the ref? I'm pretty sure this match has been over. Tattoo Kid showing neither the Executor or Brian mercy right now.